Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa has 4 types of veggie here. I'm going to make 四大天王, 4 heavenly god. Basically, is belacan, sambal belacan stir fry with veggie. Yeah, depending on what kind of veggie you want to put. Today, Appa actually has. Let me zoom in. So in the middle here, I have some brinjal. Then I have some sting bean. Now the thing about sting bean is my followers always advise me to always cut it in the middle, cut it open so that you're sure to make sure in the middle there's no worms. Yeah. And then I have some. This is lady's finger, and this is my wife's favorite wing beans. So 四大天王, 4 types of beans or veggie here. Then I have some homemade sambal belacan. You can use any kind of chili paste that you have. And then of course this is actually some toasted belacan powder, about 1 teaspoon. I have some salt, some fish sauce, and my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Of course you will need some water as well. Let's fry the brinjal first. Give it some oil. Right, let's fry the brinjal first. This will take a couple of minutes, yeah? Actually, at the restaurant, they will deep fry it. You should fry this for a couple of minutes until it is almost cooked, because the rest of the veggie can get cooked within 1-2 minutes, yeah? So this is after about 2 minutes plus sauteing. I can feel it has started to soften, yeah? See? Now I can actually put in the rest of the beans. Let me push it aside. Give it a little bit oil. Put in the sambal belacan. I'll add water a little bit later. Right. Let's give it some of my Cooking Appa chicken salt powder. Few dashes of premium fish sauce. Some fine salt. A little bit of hot water. Just want to give it a bit more belacan flavor. This is toasted belacan. Ooh, super fragrant. If you don't want to use add water, you can use oil. Yeah, you definitely need something to bring everything together. I use water today. If you want to make sure everything is cool, you can actually cover this with a lid. Right, this is after about 40 seconds. Good enough. I like my veggie to be a little bit crispy. The sauce has actually nicely soaked up by the veggie also. Done. You can put a bit of sugar also after putting salt just now to balance out the flavor. Yeah. If you ask me, it's optional. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.